Needle felting 2D starter box from the makers. What's this like? Let's find out. Hey, it's Pam Duthie and it's a Wednesday, so this must be another needle felting supply and equipment review. Every Wednesday I make videos just like this, so if this is something you're interested in, don't forget to come back every Wednesday. Now, I always tell you in these videos, if I'm ever sponsored for a product, I'll let you know. Now, in this case, I'm not sponsored for this product. I was actually purchasing something off the makers that I was intending to review for you. But the sneaky lovely people also threw in a little box for free and asked if I wouldn't mind reviewing it. And I totally don't mind reviewing it. Thank you so much, guys. This is the loveliest thing. So I've been wanting to do a review on the makers for quite a while, and on my Facebook feed it popped up that they had got in some different sizes of spiral needles, and I love my spiral or twist needle felting needle, so I wanted to try some different sizes to see how that would be, and I'll let you know in a future video. And also I've been after hedgehog mohair for so long, so look out, coming soon we'll be doing a hedgehog mohair review as well. But I thought we would do a little unboxing of this guy to see what this kit's like. I ordered from them late on Thursday and my parcel arrived first thing on Monday, so super quick shipping. The prices look great, and yeah, what amazing willpower I've had. I've not even opened this box yet because I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys, but the temptation has been huge. I think it looks absolutely wonderful from the outside. We've got the picture of, gives us an idea of hopefully what's going to be in here, tells us the makers, their website, themakers.co.uk, spring summer motifs included, needle felter starter box, and on the back it tells us the content, so we should be expecting 80 grams of wool bat tops, 45 by 30 centimetre Hessian water soluble paper. Oh, I wanted to try that stuff, excellent. Felting needles and mat, instructions for flowers, butterflies and flowers. Okay, but so exciting, and it's also tied up with a pretty ribbon, which just makes a nice extra touch. This is something we were talking about in the live stream if you haven't checked out, what to include when you're shipping things to people. And not hundreds of well, freebies that are relevant, absolutely, but not hundreds of but just a little ribbon just really adds a bonus. But it's got to come off now. I can't believe I waited like 3 days to get to see this. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Right, what have we got here? A little card first of all, telling us about making needle felted animals. That's just their business card. I'm getting all excited here. A flyer with some details as well. I am loving, again, a thing I've been talking about in the marketing on Mondays. They're including themselves, introducing themselves, which is so great. To have a personal touch, to know the people you're buying from, just makes the world of difference. Right, let's get into the meat. Well, we'll start here. It's a foam pad. Actually seems reasonable quality, better than the thing I got in the Works bag. This feels like a good high density foam. We know how much I use pads, so this is going to probably last me 20 years, but it's a nice handy size, a travel mat. And oh, the colours, that is gorgeous, nice and generous. I know it said on the back that it was tops or whatever, but this looks like a nice coarse bats. I'm not an expert on fibres. Real short staple length, which is kind of handy for 2D painting because you get a smaller bit and I don't need to snip off bits. But we've got purple, blue, yellow, green, red, brown and some white. So that's an awesome selection of colours. Really pleased with that. And a generous amount. Let's pick up one of the colours. There's a nice generous amount of colours here. What have we got in here? Here's our little package. Focus. Little package with our needles. It's telling us I have 2 coarse needles, 2 medium needles and 2 fine needles. That's fantastic. I am touch wood, I don't break needles very often, so again that's like several years. I opened it from the bottom, so of course the points are coming out first. Excellent, there's my needles. I'll try them out, but I found needles to be fairly similar. I'll try them out later, but handy. Six needles. It's all in this little bag that was also with the fibre. We have a little instruction sheet. Oh, that is with that. Little instruction sheet with the pictures of what we're going to make. Explanations again of what we've got inside. Here we have some instructions. Oh, using cookie cutters, how to use the Hessian, how to use the paper. And instructions and some pictures to help explain things. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I've wanted to try the water soluble paper for so long, so this is explanations of how to make the butterfly with the water soluble paper. I will be doing this very much. I've been wanting to do this for ages. Again, flower shapes. I'm not going to show you for too long because you've got to buy the kit. And I'm loving these motifs on the Hessian as well. I look forward to trying out these. This is great. There's some instructions on how to mix colours, trimming everything. And we have a ton of pictures of the motifs that they reckon we could use. This is great fun, and all seasons as well. Like it said, it seems we have snowmen, Christmas trees, stars, owls, foxes, badgers, pumpkins, and I saw some lambs and all sorts in here. Yes, deer, robin, bunnies. Whole load of inspiration there. I'm really going to enjoy working through that. See what else. I assume this is the water soluble paper, which, whoa, that is a real generous piece of that. That's going to last for a long time, which is fantastic. I think this kit looks like it's something that you can really get a real grasp of needle felt, and there's a lot of projects to try here, which I reckon is so important. You get your teeth into it, and by the time you're done with this kit you're going to be a bit of an expert in 2D felting, I reckon. That is a nice amount. And here's the Hessian as well. I haven't tried felting on Hessian. That's 2 pieces as well. That's enough to make quite a few of them as well. So I'm going to say, guys, that is quite a kit. There's a lot going on there, a lot of different things to try. So far, just from a first look, I'm going to recommend that, but you'll see in the next coming weeks I'm going to try some of their projects. Obviously I'm not going to tell you how to do it, you have to buy the kit and get their instructions, but I'm going to try and follow along with some of their instructions a bit and see how I get on. Super excited to try these butterflies. I've wanted to do this forever. So let me know down below, have any of you guys used the Makers kits below? How have you found them? Are you happy with them? What kits have you used? And if you want to share any of the work you've made, please don't forget, pop along to Pam's Felting Friends and share them there, and also go onto the Makers Facebook page as well and share with them. So thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget, click on my wee face to subscribe and check out this video that YouTube thinks you might want to watch, and come back every Wednesday for more reviews and watch me dig some more into this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much the Makers for sending me this. See you next week.